Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain about the topic change in quantity demand and change in demand. In previous video I already discussed about the concept of law of demand. Now we will discuss about the change in demand and change in quantity demand, and what are the difference between the change in demand and change in quantity demand. We will discuss in this video. Okay. So firstly we need to know the meaning of change in quantity demand. Change in quantity demand. So what is the meaning of change in quantity demand? So it is what? It is increase or decrease in a quantity demanded in response to or with response to decrease or increase in price. So what is the concept of change in quantity demand? So here increase or decrease in quantity with response to change in decrease or increase in price is called change in quantity demand. Means what is the meaning of this thing? If the demand of the commodity increase, how the demand of the commodity increase? When the decrease in what? Price. And the demand will decrease when demand will decrease? When increase in price. So firstly you write increase or decrease in quantity demand with respect to decrease or increase in price. Okay, you should know the patterns. Firstly we write the increase and decrease in the quantity demand. Now here we have to write what? Decrease or increase in price. So this is the concept of what? Change in quantity demand. Now change in quantity demand classified into two categories. First, two types. There is two types of change in quantity demand and change in quantity demand. The first is what? Extensions of demand or quantity demand. Extension of demand. And second one is contractions of quantity demand. Okay, so we will discuss one by one extensions or contractions of quantity demand. So discuss one by one. So firstly we need to know about the extensions of quantity demand. So what is the meaning of extensions of quantity demand? So here it refers to increase in demand, or you can write quantity demand with decrease in price. Okay, when the increase in demand with change in or decrease in price, that is called the extensions of demand. Okay, so you have to write like this. So what? Price suppose 10 and the 5, demand is 100 to 200. So this is what? This is extensions of demand. Extension means what? Extension is just like a increment of demand. So you can see that when the price of that particular commodity decreases from 10 to 5, then demand will shift it from 100 to 200. Okay. So when the price will decrease, then the demand will increase. So this is the concept of extensions of quantity demand. Here you should plot as a graph also. Here is the price is 5 and the demand is 10, 0, y and x axis. Now when the price of the particular commodity is 10 rupees, then the demand is how much? Demand is 100. When the price is 5 rupees, then demand is how much? 200. So this is what? This is a extensions of demand. So demand A to B. So shifted from demand A to B when the price shifted from 10 to 5 rupees. So demand will from 100 to 200 rupees. Okay. So this is the concept of extensions of quantity demand. So just opposite, contractions of quantity demand. Contraction of quantity demand. Here one more thing is very important. Here you have to write other thing remaining the same. Other thing remaining the same. Okay. So price, income, only the price will change. Other thing means what? All the other factors which are affect the demand should be same, should be fixed. Like income of the consumer, taste and preference should be fixed. Okay. Here you also mention the same thing. What? Other thing will be same. Means no changes. Now come to the contractions of quantity demand. What is the meaning of contractions of? The same is here it refers to decrease in demand in response to increase in price. Okay. So it refers to the decrease in demand in response to increase in price. Other thing remains the same. Other thing remaining the same. Okay. Now what is the schedule of this thing? Here you have to write price and here demand. Okay. So price 10 to 20, then demand 100 to 50. Here you can see that demand is contract, means subtracted from the previous numbers. You can see that earlier demand is how much? 100. Now the demand is 50. Why? Because price is increased from 10 to 20. So when the price will increase, then demand will what? Demand will decrease. So this is the schedule of contractions of quantity demand. Here we plotted the graph also. Here you write 50, 100. Here you write 10 and 20. So for the 10 rupees of the commodity, then demand is how much? 100. For 10 demand is 100 and for 20 demand is how much? 50. So you just meet the top point of this. Here demand is what? Demand is shifted from here. Now what? The price of that particular increase, the price will increase, then demand is what? Demand will decrease. Okay. So this is the concept of contractions of demand when the demand of particular commodity increase or decrease. Okay. Here you can see that when extension of demand, when the price of that particular goods is decreased, then demand will increase. So in combined video you can see that combined graph of extension and contractions. So firstly we separate the graph, making the graph separately. Here 0 x-axis, y-axis, extensions of demand. Here you write contractions of demand, and here we will prepare combined graph. Okay, so now from schedule you can see that for extensions price is how much, 10 to 5, and demand is 100 to 200. So here you write 100, 200, here you write 5 and 10. Okay, same is the price is what, 10 and 20. Here you write 50 and 100. Okay, so for the extension of demand, when the price of particular commodity is 10 rupees, then demand is how much, 100. When the price shifted from 10 to 5, when price is decreased, then demand is how much, 200. Okay, so demand is 200. So you can see that the graph shifted from A to B. Okay, so when the price decrease, then demand increase. So this is the concept of extensions of demand. Now come to the contraction of demand. Contraction of demand is what? When the price of rupees 10, then demand is how much? 100. When the price increase from 10 to 20, then demand is how much? 50. Now you can see that here, just look at the arrow. Here arrow come from top to bottom. Here bottom to top, means here you can see that the demand of that particular commodity will decrease when the price will increase. When the price will increase, demand is what? Demand is shifted. Now come to the combined graph. Combined graph, here you can write there are three price, 5, 10 and 20. So 5, 10 and 20, and here is three numbers also, 50, 100, 200, quantity demanded. When the price of rupees 5, then demand is 20. When price is 10, demand is 100. When price is what? Price is 20, demand is 50. So you just meet the top point, or here you can write a different name. A to C. Okay. So A is what? When the rupees of 10 rupees, that is A point. Here also, or here is also the 10 rupees. So just write here A. This is what? This is B point and this is C point. Now in combined graph, how will draw the line? For extensions, here you can see that when the price shifted from this, from 10 to 5, then demand is increases from where? From this to this. Okay, from A to B. Now when the demand of the demand will decrease, how? When the price will increase. So demand is contracts from A to C. So this is the concept of change in quantity demanded. Okay. It is also known as the movement along with the demand curve. So you can sometimes the person will ask about the movement in demand curve. So this is also movement in demand. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept of change in quantity demanded. In next video we will discuss about the change in demand and what is the difference between change in demand and change in quantity demand. So thank you so much.